Okay guys, what's another YouTube video? This is just random. I just went outside to burn these 6-cylinder motors, but the third motor of this set completely demolished, but I do still have this, and we're gonna try to see if we can take it apart. Let's get into it. I don't think we really can. Okay. Try to push this out. Oh, we actually got the piston out. See that? Cylinder almost burnt. We might actually have to light this to get this apart. I don't think we're gonna get that apart at all. And what is this? Ah, that's hot. Hey, we got the cylinder out. We got this cylinder out. I don't think we can get this one out. There's no absolute way I can get to this. I need a set of freaking pliers. Okay, I have a set of pliers. Okay, we got a little bit in there. There. It's one of the pieces inside of it. can see the little connectors where it used to be. I'll show you what the cylinders used to look like. They should look like this, a moving piston. But this got torched a little too. Yeah. See what I mean about those pins? So right now, comparison with that, it's what it should look like. Now it looks like this. But it doesn't. These little pins should look like that. But it doesn't. Whoa, cool. We actually got it apart. Whoa, that's cool. Cool. Well, you can kind of see it now. The motor used to look like. It's all demolished. That cylinder's still stuck in that one. We're gonna try it tomorrow to try to screw that out. Let's try to get this pin out. Whoa, we actually did it. We're getting the cylinders apart. Try to get this one apart now. Oh, that was too easy. None of these parts are usable. Maybe this, yeah, the top. Maybe these two pieces. But that's it. Really nothing else usable on this. There's, you can see right through it. But that one, can't even. We could try to. I'm gonna try to light that and try to get that out. And now, I can't even get this thing out. Trying to get this freaking cylinder out. Okay, that piece came out. We're gonna burn. I'm gonna try to do this. Get this kind of red hot. Okay, that's good enough. Now let that cool. Okay, see the cylinder moving now? Hey, we got it. Actually got the cylinder out. This whole thing. If you guys want me to melt this completely into nothing, comment down below. Did a little, kind of don't work anymore right there. I'm gonna be building a car and just burning it down completely. This used to be the chassis of it, not anymore. If you guys like this video, want me to burn this completely into goo, comment down below. If you like this video, subscribe, share. Bye guys.